हरि ओम्। नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषाप्रवेशस्य प्रथमभागस्य एकविंशतितमी कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. Okay, next topic is, for example, so far whatever we have seen, they are actually purely the locative forms like Vidyalaya Balakaha asti, Udyane Pushpam asti, Vatikayam Vrikshaः santi. So all these are actually regular Saptami forms. But similarly, the same Saptami forms we can also use in you can also use the same Saptami forms for different purposes actually. Okay, so that's what we are going to see. So based on the usage of the Saptami forms, we actually have different categories. Like the first one is Adhara Saptami. Adhara Saptami means it's a purely the locative location based Saptami forms. Basically, I say Vidyalaya Balakaha means boy is really literally exists in the Vidyalaya. Okay, there's a physical object called Vidyalaya and boy actually present in that Vidyalaya. That's basically Adhara for boy. So Adhara is a support. Okay, that's a Adhara Saptami. Adhara Saptami means whatever we have seen so far, except one or two examples which you people have given, but otherwise all of them which I gave all the examples, all of them are actually kind of Adhara Saptami. Okay, but there are few other kinds of Saptami where few other kinds where we use the similar Saptami forms. We'll see what are those meanings actually. So in that case, the first one is Vishya Rupa Adharaha. So Vishya Rupa Adhara means, let's see some example and we'll understand what it is. Example first is Samskrite Pritihi. So Samskrite Pritihi Asti. The Priti is in Sanskritam. So here Sanskritam is not a location. It's just some topic or some concept. Okay, or some philosophy or something. Okay, but it's not a physical topic or physical object. It's not a physical object. So in those cases, we also we actually use Saptami Vibhakti, like Samskrite Pritihi Asti. Okay, this is one example. And similarly, the next example is Jnane Ichcha Asti. So there's a desire in the knowledge. That means it indirectly means there's a desire to learn the knowledge or gain the knowledge. Okay, Jnane Ichcha Asti. So here Jnane is not a physical object or a physical location. It's just some topic on which the Ichcha is there. Okay, or towards that the Ichcha is there. So it's again a Vishya Rupa Adharaha. And the next example is Gitayam Abhiruchihi Asti. So Gita is Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gitayam Abhiruchihi Asti. Abhiruchi is in the Bhagavad Gita, but again Bhagavad Gita is not a physical location. So you just need to apply the same for everything. And next example is Bhaginyam Snehaha Asti. So there's a friendliness in the Bhagini. Okay, and next one is Sikshake Adaraha Asti. On Sikshaka, there's a respect. There's a respect towards the Sikshaka. That's what it means. And Deve Bhaktihi Asti. On Deva, there's a devotion. Okay, so again here Deve Bhaktihi means the devotion is for Deva, and Mai Bhaktihi Asti is devotion in me for Deva. Okay, that's a little difference, but it'll come. Okay, and next one is Etasmin Vinayam Darshayati. So in this, you show the Vinayam. So basically, on this subject or on this matter, you show the Vinaya. So again, the Etasmin is not a locative Saptami; it is just a Vishya Rupa Saptami. And next one is Bhavati Pritim Pradashyati. So someone Bhavati Pritim Pradashyati means someone shows the Priti in you. Okay, maybe Saha Bhavati Pritim Pradashyati. He shows Priti on you. So that's what it means. And similarly, next one is Tasyam. It's a Gauravam. It's not Gauravam. It's a Gauravam Asti. So on that there is a respect or honor. And similarly, Ishmasu Kripam Darshayati. On you, somebody shows Kripa. On you all, that's what it means, Ishmasu. And my Shanka Asti. So in me there is a doubt. There's a doubt in me. That's what it means. And Twayi Vatsalyam. Vatsalyam is in you. And Kasmin Prema. So in which the Prema is there. And next one is Asmasu Vishwasaha. the Vishwasa is there in us, among us. So asmasu Vishwasaha asti. And similarly, tasyam namrata asti. In that there's a namrata. So you can actually find all the meanings in dictionary. I'm just giving examples. So mostly we need to focus on the Vishya Rupa Adhara. And etasmin saujanyam. So on this there's a sujanata saujanyam asti. Okay, hope you are able to get what is Vishya Rupa Adhara. So Vishya Rupa Adhara means it's not a physical object or location we say as a Saptami, but in these cases also we actually use Saptami forms. So these cases actually called as Vishya Rupa Adhara. And similarly, there is another category, another where we are there also we use Saptami Vibhakti. So that is here. For example, Ange Grahanam va Tadanam va bhavati chet tatrapi Saptami Vibhakti bhavati. So if there is any holding or catching or hitting the part of the body, that part of the body is expressed in Saptami Vibhakti. You got it right. So if somebody hits on any part of the body, arm or face or somewhere, that arm or face will be presented in Saptami form. So not only hitting, it's even for holding. If somebody holds on the hand and drags, so that hand he holds and drags, that he holds the hand and drags, right? So in that case the hand is given in the Saptami form. Let's see some examples. Okay, so Arakshakaha choram kanthe grihnati. So Arakshakaha choram grihnati. Arakshakaha grihnati. The police holds. Arakshakaha choram grihnati. He holds the thief. Arakshakaha choram kanthe grihnati. He holds the thief in the hand, or he holds the thief's hand. Okay, that's what it means. Sorry, not hand, it's a throat or throat. Okay, Arakshakaha choram kanthe grihnati. He holds the kantha of chora. And next one is Yodaha Yuddhe Shatrum Udare Tadayati. Okay, it is little different. Let's see. Okay, it's a neck actually, yeah, not throat, correct. Okay, Yodaha Yuddhe Shatrum Udare Tadayati. So Yodaha Tadayati, the soldier hits or strikes, and Yuddhe Tadayati, in the battlefield or in the battle he hits. Okay, Yodaha Yuddhe Shatrum Tadayati. He hits the Shatru in the battle. And similarly, Yodaha Yuddhe Shatrum Udare Tadayati. He hits the Shatru's stomach in the battle. Okay, here again the hitting happens on the stomach. That particular part is actually presented in the Saptami Vibhakti. This is called as Angeta Grahanam or Tadanam. And next is Saha Bhavantam Vakshasthale Praharati. He hits you in the chest and the Vakshasthala. Okay, and next one is Sikshakaha Etam Kapole Tadayati. Kapola is a cheek, and Sikshakaha, its Hetam is again Dutiya form for Saha. We have not come across. It's a Dutiya. He hits him in the Kapola and the cheek. Basically, he slaps. And next one is Bhavan Mam Pado Praharati. So you hit me in the legs. That's what it means. You are hitting me in the legs. Bhavan Praharati, Pado Praharati. You are hitting me on the legs. And next one is, yeah, that this is what these are the few examples for Ange Grahanam or Tadanam. Okay, this is just given. We may not actually get real scenarios while we actually converse in Sanskrit, but in most of the cases, if you read some sentences like this, you should be able to understand why we are using Saptami there. Well, this is the second category where Ange Grahanam or Tadanam. And the third category, it's the fourth category where we use Saptami is Nipuna Kushaladinam Prayoge. So when you tell some expertise or some skills, if you want to mention, maybe you'll say this person is good at writing. So he is really good at writing skill. Okay, so in that case, we'll use Saptami. Let's see some examples. So Arjunaha Dhanurvidyayam Nipunaha or Kushalaha. So Nipunaha, Kushalaha both are alternative interchangeable words, means expert. Okay, Arjunaha Dhanurvidyayam Nipunaha. He is the expert in Dhanurvidya. Okay, again Dhanurvidya, basically on which he is expert, that object is actually presented in Saptami Vibhakti. So Arjunaha Dhanurvidyayam Nipunaha. So he is expert in Dhanurvidya. And next is Saha Kridayam Nipunaha or Kushalaha. He is good at playing. So Saha Kridayam Nipunaha or Kushalaha. And the next one is Esha Pakakarye Samartha. So this lady or this female person is good at or is capable or good at in the cooking, in cooking activities like a Pakakarya. So Esha Pakakarye Samartha. So again, on which the expertise comes, that object or that process or that thing is actually presented in Saptami Vibhakti. And next one is Kumaraha Rane Shuraha. So Kumara is hero, or is a really brave person in Rana, in the actual battlefield. And the next one is Bhavan Jivane Saralaha. You are very easy to go in the life, basically easy to go person. I mean, not you take the life very easily, that meaning it is. So Bhavan Jivane Saralaha. And next is Saha Sarva Vishayeshu Panditaha. So he is Pandita in all the subjects. Okay. And Bhavati Bhashayam Chatura. So we are really good at the language. And Sa Chitra Kalayam Nipuna. So she is good at art. Okay, I think these are the few examples on Nipuna Kushaladi Nam Prayoge Saptami. Okay, so there are 4 categories. Adhara Saptami, that is for everywhere, wherever we see literally the physical object, there we use Saptami to mean the location. And the second one is Vishyarupaha Saptami. Vishyarupa Saptami means you just specify some subject or some non-existing object like Jnane Ichha. So like Jnane Ichha, Deve Bhaktihi. So all these are actually Vishyarupa Saptami. And third category of Saptami is Ange Grahanam or Tadanam. So there is any hold or hitting on any of the part of the body, that part is actually present in Saptami. Example, Arakshakaha Choram Kanthe Grahanati. So he holds the neck of the thief, that's what it means. And similarly, fourth category is Nipuna Kushaladi Nam Prayoge Saptami. Example, Arjunaha Dhanurvidyayam Nipunaha. He is expert at Dhanurvidya. Okay, hope it is clear. Any questions so far?
Matari mama pritihi asti. In mother, my affection.
Uttamam. Mama kante kantaharam asti. Mama kanthe kantaharaha asti. It's a regular Saptami, not any of this special Saptami. Kante? It's a regular Saptami, just it's a physical location where the Kantahara is present. Kantaharaha Kante asti. Yeah, it's correct, but it doesn't come under this special category of Saptami. Yeah, that's what I meant. It's a regular Adhara Saptami, yes. Yeah.
Sa Nrityayam Nipunaha. Sa Nrityayam Nipunaha.
Nrityam is a Napunsakalinga Shabda. So Saptami Vibhakti is Nritye. Sa Nritye Nipuna.
Can you give me the exact translation in English?
She is expert or good at the dance.
Oh, that's all. Okay.
Yeah.
Saha sarva visayesu ajnanaha. He is ignorant in all subjects. Ajnana.
Yeah, something like.
Sarvasu matrishu shishu premah asti. Is it right?
Uttamam. सर्वासु मातृषु शिशु प्रेम अस्ति. सम्यक्.
भवती गणिते निपुणा अस्ति.
अर्थः?
Sorry, it should be सा गणिते निपुणा अस्ति.
सा गणिते निपुणः अस्ति. सम्यक्. और भवती गणिते निपुणा अस्ति. सा गणिते निपुणा अस्ति और भवती गणिते निपुणा अस्ति. So she is good at mathematics or you are good at mathematics. You are telling to a female person.
भवती संस्कृते चतुरः. सम्यक् सर.
Bhavati is a feminine and Chaturaha is a masculine. So it should be same. Bhavati Samskrite Chatura.
Bhavati. Okay. Sir, now I am taking 50 Bhavati. Okay. Bhavati Samskrite Chaturaha.
Chatura. Chaturaha is a feminine, as a masculine form. Yeah.
Bhavati Samskrite Chatura.
Chatura is Bhavati Chatura. Samskrite Chatura. Yeah.
सर्वेषु हृदयेषु देशभक्त्याम् अस्ति.
देशभक्तिः अस्ति. So see, that's the first lesson we learned. बालकः अस्ति, पुस्तकम् अस्ति, कन्दुकम् अस्ति. देशभक्तिः अस्ति. So सर्वेषु हृदयेषु देशभक्तिः अस्ति. आम्.
देशभक्तिः अस्ति.
So in Ange Grihanam or Tadanam, always it should be the second and there will be a combination of second and seventh. You will not just use Arakshakaha Kante Grihnati. You cannot say that.
Yeah, that's also correct. That's also correct. No. You can say that actually. Arakshaka Kante Grihnati. That's also fine.
That means cheap Kante is hidden.
Yes, it's hidden. Yes.
So they say Yodaha Shatrum, not Shatrum. Udare Tadayati.
Yeah, that's also correct.
So without second vibhakti we can use a sentence, but it is hidden. The second vibhakti person is there. The object is there.
Yes. Correct.
That way, sir. Whereas in other Nipuna Gunaha Kusha, it is the character of the person. He is smart at this. He is skilled at this.
Right.
So it denotes to that object.
Correct.
So supposing you say Sa Nritye Nipuna, the Nipuna goes to the Sa, that is the subject. This is the vibhakti, Kriya Padam. But Nritya is she is.
It's not a Kriya Padam. It's a Sa and Nipuna. They both go under Visheshana Vishesha Bhava.
So there won't be any Sa, Nritya, Nipuna. There is no this thing in that, sir. I mean.
Yes, the Visheshana Vishesha Bhava is between Sa and Nipuna.
So Asti is hidden again.
Yeah, Asti is hidden. Yes. There is no.
Asti is hidden. So Sa, Nritya, Nipuna, both are Visheshana Bhava for Nritya.
Yes, right. No, it's not for Sa and Nipuna. They both are actually adjective and noun. So Sa Nipuna, that's it. Sa Nritya Nipuna, that's it. And similarly, Taha Nritya Nipunaha. So those ladies or those female, they are actually good at dance. So Taha Nritya Nipunaha. Te Nritya Nipune. Nipunaha, yes.
Sharirasya alankare mama icha nasti or mami pritihi nasti. Can I say that?
Yes, that is correct.
So Sankshepaha. So we have seen Saptami Vibhakti and we have seen all the forms of Sarvanama Shabdas, and we have also done some exercise around that, and we have seen there are 4 Bhedas in the Saptami Vibhakti. Okay, and example first one is Adhara Saptami Vibhakti and Vishya Rupa Adharaha and Ange Grahanam or Tadanam. This is the third category, and fourth is Nipuna Kushaladinam Prayogaha. So in all these cases we generally see the Saptami usage. Yeah, that's all for today's session. Thank you all for watching this video online. If there are any questions or if you want to interact with teachers or course students, please log into forum.sanskrit.today, or you can also join our Telegram group to interact. And please subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.today to watch more videos like this. Share this video with your friends and interested people or group, and make use of the comment section below the video if there are any questions, suggestions or feedback about this session or series, and finally click on the like button. And thank you all for watching this video, and let us meet in the next session. Dhanyavadaha.